Children, as you can see in this next question where it is given, if x is equal to 6ab upon a plus b, find the value of x plus 3a upon x minus 3a plus x plus 3b upon x minus 3b. Now since we know we have got this equation x is equal to 6ab upon a plus b, if we split this numerator term into 3a into 2b, and if we bring that 3a term by cross multiplying on the other side of the equal to sign, then the equation can become x upon 3a is equal to 2b upon a plus b. If you multiply these two terms, you will be again getting 6ab over here in the numerator. So I have split this term into two parts, one as 3a and the other part as 2b. One part I have brought it on the other side by cross multiplying. So we have got this equation x upon 3a is equal to 2b upon a plus b. Now why I have done this thing over here? Because I have to first find out the value of this fraction, then of this fraction, and then I'm going to add the two values and I'm going to find out the answer for this entire expression. So in this particular equation, if I'm going to apply the property of proportion, that is by componendo and dividendo, then on both the sides by applying this property, on the left hand side it can be written as x plus 3a, that is the sum of first and second term, upon x minus 3a, that is the difference of first and second term, equal to, on the right hand side of the equal to sign we can write 2b plus a plus b, that is the sum of first and second term of the second ratio, upon 2b minus a plus b, that is the difference of the first and the second term. By which, on solving this part of the right hand side, we can get 2b plus b is going to give us 3b plus a. If you open the bracket, you will be getting plus a and plus b, and 2b plus b is going to give us 3b plus a. Upon, if you open this bracket over here, it will be 2b minus a minus b. So 2b minus b is going to give us just b and minus a. So this is the value of the first fraction x plus 3a upon x minus 3a, which we actually require for the sum of these two fractions. Again, what I am going to do from the equation that is given to us is x is equal to 6ab upon a plus b. Again, I am going to split this term into 3b into 2a. 3b into 2a is again 6ab, and if I am going to bring this 3b by cross multiplying on the other side of the equal to sign, it will be x upon 3b is equal to 2a upon a plus b. Now again, by applying componendo and dividendo on both the sides, it will be x plus 3b, that is the sum of these first two terms, upon x minus 3b, that is the difference between first and second term, equal to again the sum of these first term and second term, that is 2a plus a plus b, and then writing the denominator part, the difference of the first and second term, that is 2a minus a plus b. So if you are going to open the bracket over here, you will be getting 2a plus a plus b, which will give us 3a plus b, and over here if you are going to open the bracket in the denominator, it will be 2a minus a minus b. So 2a minus a will give us a and minus b over here. So we have also got the value of the other fraction x plus 3b upon x minus 3b, that is this fraction, as 3a plus b upon a minus b. Since we know that we have to find out the value of this entire expression, that is x plus 3 upon x minus 3a plus x plus 3b upon x minus 3b. So if I substitute the value of these two expressions, which I have just derived, that is in place of x plus 3a upon x minus 3a, if I substitute this value 3b plus a upon b minus a, plus sign copied, and in place of this particular fraction, if I substitute this value, that is 3a plus b upon a minus b, then after that what we can do, for adding these two, we have to make the denominator same, and that you can see it over here what I've done. In this particular value, I have changed the denominator as per to the denominator of the first fraction. So as you can see, this value is given as 3a plus b upon a minus b. So if you take minus sign common in the denominator part, then the value can be changed as 3a plus b, numerator will be as it is, upon, if you take minus sign common from plus a, inside the bracket it will be minus a, and if you take minus sign common from minus b, it will be plus b. Now if you see the sign of the numerator and the denominator, if you multiply the two signs, the numerator has got the plus sign, the denominator has got the minus sign. So if you multiply the two sign, plus minus is minus, so the resultant sign of this value will come out to be minus. And therefore it can be written as, the value can be written as 3a plus b upon b minus a. I have written the positive term and then the negative term. As you can see, b has become positive after taking out minus sign common, and a has become negative after taking out the minus sign common. So instead of this value, I am going to take this value, and therefore the middle sign will also get changed. Why? Because if you are going to substitute the value 3a plus b upon b minus a with this minus sign, so minus plus will give us again minus. So in place of this value, I have written 3a plus b upon b minus a. Now as you can see, after making the denominator same on both the sides, I am going to take the LCM, and the LCM will be b minus a. So if you check the divisibility of this LCM b minus a with the first denominator b minus a, it is divisible one time. So 1 into 3b plus a will give us 3b plus a, then minus sign copied. Then b minus a divisibility again with the second denominator b minus a, you will be getting again 1. That one will be multiplied with this numerator, it will be 3a plus b. I am keeping this expression inside the bracket because there is a minus sign outside it. That is why. Now if you are going to open the brackets, in the numerator part you will be getting 3b plus a, minus plus is minus 3a, and minus plus is minus b upon b minus a. Now as you can see, 3b minus b will give us the result as 2b, and plus minus is minus, 3a minus a is going to give us the result as minus 2a. As you know, 3a is a bigger term, so the sign will be of minus only. And in the denominator we will be writing b minus a only. Then in the numerator part, if you take 2 common, it will be b minus a upon b minus a, and then b minus a will be cancelled, and we are left with the value as 2. So it means that the sum of these two fractions is coming out to be equal to 2.